In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a zip file to your Wix website. Whether you're offering downloadable content like ebooks, software, or any type of packaged documents, integrating a zip file into your Wix site is a straightforward process. I'll walk you through it step by step, ensuring you're equipped to provide visitors with access to your files with ease. First, you'll want to head into your Wix editor. Once you're in, keep an eye on the taskbar on your left. There, you'll find various tools and features designed to make your website editing process seamless. Locate and click on the Media Manager icon. The icon looks like a folder, and this is your go-to spot for managing all the media that you plan to publish or already have on your site. With the Media Manager open, you're ready to upload. Go ahead and click on Upload Media. This option will present you with a few sources to import your files from. For today, since we're working directly with files stored on your computer, select your computer. Now, navigate through your file directories and select the .zip file you wish to upload. Once you've chosen the correct file, proceed to click Upload, and Wix will swiftly bring it into your media library. Now, your zip file is safely stored in the cloud courtesy of Wix, but we're not finished yet. The next step is making sure this file is accessible to your site visitors. To do this, we'll create a straightforward download link via a button. Start by adding a button to your page. Simply navigate to the Add menu and select the button option. Place the button in an area of your page where it will catch the eyes of your users. Once your button is placed, click on it to reveal editing options. What you want is the link option. Click that. You'll be given several choices for the type of link you can add. Since we're working with a document, select the document option. This will pull up your media library where you can select the zip file you just uploaded. Make sure you've chosen the correct file and then hit Done. That's it. You've successfully uploaded a zip file to your Wix site and made it available for visitors to download. From now on, when they click the button you've just configured, they'll be able to directly access and download the content you're offering. I hope this guide has been helpful in giving you the confidence to manage downloadable files on your Wix site. If you found the walkthrough straightforward and engaging, be sure to stay tuned for more web design tips and tricks. Happy creating!